Hi everyone, I am Yuri Mendoza. This is my presentation. I'm going to talk about the next topic. The topic is effects of technology on the environment. Do you see the future of our planet? At this moment, we can say that the world is changing at a great speed and most of these changes will bring environment disasters. At this time, we can see temperatures are rising, the glacial poles are melting, millions of animal species are disappearing. From my point of view, the climate crisis is about to arrive, and according to forecasts, it will create more poverty and social instability than the current economic crisis. Industrialization has been the cause of many changes in nature, in the use of energy. In water resources, on the model of human settlements, and in the social and economic context of health. Pollution directly attacks human health, maybe in water or air. Another aspect of great importance is its impact on fishing. When the habitat of animal species is affected, they migrate or become extinct. However, this falls squarely on each on of us. In our attitude and behavior, there are many keys to avoid global warming. It is clear that we use more energy than we need, so it is necessary to take action now to avoid wasting resources and reduce emissions. In the world, there is evidence that our planet is suffering moves out of necessity and urgency. Find solutions to make development compatible with maintaining the condition of habitability of the planet, that is, having sustainable development. This requires the use technologies specifically designed for the conservation and protection of the environment. Promote the recycling of materials. Raise awareness that we are all responsible. In conclusion, technology and the environment are two areas that are more related than we can imagine. Nature inspires breakthroughs and innovation. We have to find a way in which technology is part of the solution and not of the problem. And if the natural environment has given us the resource we currently have to our knowledge and quality of life. What let's stand to use them to take care of her in return. Thank you very much.